How to make chicken cordon bleu. The ingredient that we'll need is 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts, 2 sausage, 2 slices of melted cheese, 1 egg beaten, all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and cooking oil. For the potato wedges, we need 2 potatoes, salt, and pepper. For the supplementary, we need carrots, beans, mayonnaise, ketchup, chili sauce, and soy sauce. Take the chicken breast and slide it thinly, but don't cut it off. Cross with a meat beater, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Expand the chicken breast, arrange the sausage and cheese at one end, and roll it up neatly. Prepare in each bowl all-purpose flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. Roll the chicken in the all-purpose flour, dip in the beaten egg, then do it again in the breadcrumbs until evenly coated. Prepare a lot of oil. Fry the chicken in hot oil over low heat. Fry until the chicken turns golden brown. Leave the chicken and drain it. Next, fry the potatoes until cooked. Drain the potatoes. Sprinkle the potatoes with salt, pepper, and parsley. Slice the chicken crosswise into pieces. Arrange on a plate with potato wedges, vegetable, and sauce. And finally, the chicken cordon bleu is ready to be served.